How to log in into Instagram if you forgot your password without email and phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Instagram without email and phone number. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Instagram application in your mobile device and head over to the login page. So once you land on this kind of interface, you have to tap on forgot password. You'll be taken into this page where you will be asked to enter your email or username so that Instagram will try to find your account even if you cannot access your email or phone number. So provide your username. Once you're done with that, tap on continue. Now it says we have sent the verification code to your email, so here you have to type in the email. But since you don't have access to your email, tap on try another way, and here you have various options where you can get the recovery code. You can get the recovery code via email, via your SMS, or you can have to enter the password. Since we don't have access to any one of this, then you have to tap on no longer have access to this. Once you're done with that, tap on show more option. Now Instagram will give you the option to verify your identity, where it will ask you to take a video selfie. So once you submit your selfie, Instagram will verify your identity, or it will ask you to explain your issue. So make sure you show support form and you provide all of the required document or any of these options such as video selfie to verify your identity. Once you submit it, Instagram will review your request and will send you a link to recover your account, usually within 1 to 3 days. So you have to wait for the Instagram's reply. And if your account is also linked with your Facebook, you could also try to log in with Facebook, which will pass the password entirely. So that's how you can log in into Instagram without email and phone number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.